Hi class, how you doing today? My name is Dr. Tim Sowards. I have you guys for the next 5-6 weeks. Our course goes from, as you can see here on my screen, it's the Criminal Justice 112 Gangs and Threat Groups in America. It's a summertime course. Um, this course goes from May 28th through July 5th. This course really is broken up into quite a bit of reading. You will be expected to read chapters each week, or at least scroll through them so you understand what the context is that we're going to be talking about. I do have some supplemental readings on here. I really recommend the Black Hand, this book right here, The Black Hand. It's a really good book. It's about Baca Enrique, um, who, and you'll see an interview. I have an interview with him on here that you guys will get to watch. Um, just talks about the development and his time in the Mexican Mafia. So there's some really good books here for you guys to look at. Again, I know it's only a 6 week class. More likely, you won't get to these supplemental readings. But if you're looking for interesting readings, these are some good ones. Um, Again, this is an online course. You do have to have access to Canvas. Everything is done in Canvas for this course. Your quizzes are done in Canvas. Your discussions are done in Canvas. Your postings of your papers are done in Canvas. Your video uploads are going to be done in Canvas. All that's here done in Canvas. So that's the first thing you guys have. Just our objectives, what we hope to achieve. Obviously, the grades. Basically, you have a 30% on exams, which you have weekly quizzes. Well, they'll do all your exams. You've got 5 weekly quizzes that cover 2 chapters per week. I'll talk more about quizzes in additional posting. You do have a course paper. I'll have a posting about the course paper. And then obviously your participation. Participation is your weekly discussions. And I'll have a posting, a video about weekly discussions and what my expectation is. Grades are pretty simple, straightforward. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you can always feel free to call me. Right here, course at a glance. This pretty much tells you what we're going to do. We're going to be reading, discussing, quiz. Reading, discussing, quiz as we go through. Um, I will talk more about the paper because that's kind of an interesting thing, as well as the video presentation, which I think is kind of cool. So that's kind of what we're looking at for this class. If you guys need help or you need questions or you need anything, you guys can always reach me via my Sowards at csus.edu. I have my cell phone number on there. If you need to text me, contact me. That's all available for you. Everything's set up in modules for this class. As you can see, here's the modules. Week 1, Week 2, Week 3, Week 4, Week 6, right, as we go through the weeks. So that's how our course is set up. So I look forward to seeing you guys, seeing you in the postings. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call me.